I'd like to start by differentiating my substitution, but at the moment I've not got u or x as the subject. I could square root both sides like this, but I don't want to do that. I don't like having a square root with these questions because it just makes it awkward to rearrange once I've differentiated. Instead, let's rearrange to make x the subject. So I'm going to add the x over here and I'm going to subtract the u squared over there to get x is equal to 1 minus u squared. Now I'm going to differentiate because I've got x as the subject. So I'm going to differentiate x with respect to u. The 1 will differentiate to be 0. The minus u squared will differentiate to be minus 2u. Make dx the subject. And now I can see that I can replace this dx with a minus 2u du. Right, let's focus on the other terms in here then. We've got this x here, which I know can be replaced with this 1 minus u squared. So let's do that. Put brackets around the 1 minus u squared. Brackets are your friends, so keep them there. And then I've got this square root of 1 minus x. Well, that's just going to be equal to u. So I'm going to replace that with u. Right, let's tidy this up a little bit then, because we've got the 1 minus u squared times u times minus 2u, which is the same as timesing by 2u squared. Right, the 1 times the minus 2u squared is minus 2u squared. The minus u squared times the minus 2u squared is positive 2u to the power 4. And finally, after all of that, we can actually do some integration. So we're going to add 1 to the power and divide by the new power. We're going to add 1 to the power and divide by the new power, plus c. We do need to go back to the x worlds though, but that's fine because we know that the u can be replaced with the square root of 1 minus x. And we could leave our answer like that. Or if you wanted to try and tidy it up a little bit, this square root here means a power of 1/2. And then the power of 1/2 times the power of 3 there will be 3 over 2. So you could rewrite that like that. And similarly, we could take this 5 and this 1/2 here and turn that into a 5 over 2 there.